For this tutorial video, I'll be focusing on the profile dropdown. As you can see here, it is the profile dropdown for when you select your profile picture or the initials of your name, NS for Nelson Sydney. I'll be explaining the dropdown all items that are displayed here. So as you can see here, I'm currently looking at the demo team. If I simply select the dropdown button, it then allows me two options: switch team or add team. If I am in another team, I then simply select the switch team button, and I'm then able to see the other teams available, cancel if I do not want to switch to that team, or select the other team that I would like to switch to and select the switch team button. As you can see here, Nelson Sydney is in only one account, so therefore he can only see the demo account. But if I am in more than one team, I simply come to the switch team section and switch to that team. Next is the add team. I then can add a team, and I start with adding a team name. Please note this is for the paid packages that I'm able to add a team. I then can add a team name and submit. If I do not want to add a team, I will then select the X button. To continue on the profile dropdown, I then have the My Account button, and this will take the user to the settings to change or update or add in any profile information, settings, context, etc. Next, I have the change password, and this will allow the user to immediately change their current password by adding in a new password and confirming. If I don't want to add in a new password, I'll simply select the X button. If I do want to, I'll add in the new password and submit the update button. Next, I have the My Billings, and this will take the user to the Stripe screens where you're able to see the different packages on Stratpilot, as well as handle any transactional information on Stripe, and then come back to the Stratpilot to continue the process on using Stratpilot. And then lastly, the sign out button, I simply select and it'll take me to the sign out screen. And that is the profile drop down